Now it's available at McCarthycars, Volvo XC60 diesel 2011 metallic grey. Car has front xenon lights, got front daylights, front headlight washer. It's got 18-inch alloy wheels, privacy rear glass. It's got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor, electric tailgate. It's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation, 4 electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, front auto headlights, electric seats, memory seats, heated seats. Car has USB, aux connection, DAB radio, satellite navigation, push button to start, 2-zone air conditioning, automatic transmission, got remote control, 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.